everyone, welcome back to Learn with Habib. As you see, I've got some boys. They are playing some musical instruments and they are singing songs. Although they are not so much skilled at playing these types of instruments, but they are trying to play these instruments and trying to sing songs. I hope one day they will be able to sing like a professional singer. And I want to ask them some questions. Hello, Sorwar, what are you playing? What is this instrument called? এটার নাম কি? Khomok. He is playing khomok, and as you see here, a boy is playing. He's playing an instrument. I don't know the name. What is the name of the instrument? It is called kaun. They are singing songs, and as you see, two little boys, one Shapon and Shojib. They are playing Junjuni, and what it is called? এটার নাম কি? এটার নাম হচ্ছে হাতডোল. I don't know the name, what it's called in English. So thank you everyone for being with me. Whenever I get a chance to speak English, I try to speak English. If you want to improve your English, you can try this. So thank you once again. Bye for today. Thank you.